Today is Wednesday, December 4th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Deville coupe and convertible front fender spear moldings for the 1969 and 1970 Cadillac Deville. This is a beautiful set of original pot metal chrome-plated moldings. They have not been re-chromed. These are the original hexavalent chrome as produced by the factory. They're in a very, very nice condition. I would say they're one step below show quality and would not call them show quality, as there is a slight sign of peppering and some extremely minuscule micro pitting on one side of one of the moldings that you would position downwardly in order to less reveal that anomaly. So these are extremely nice, as is condition, original. They have all four of the mounting prongs still intact. Almost impossible to find these moldings intact, not bent, and with all four of the mounting prongs. And all four of the mounting prongs are in fully extended length and fully usable. So extremely difficult to find moldings, almost impossible to find with the four mounting prongs. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. And I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the WoodGrain InLay, including the 1969 one-year-only rim blow steering wheel. And I'm offering these beautiful original vintage front fender spear moldings. Today is December 4th. Thank you very kindly.